Hello guys, good morning. Happy Monday to each and everyone. It's my Dolly. And once again, good morning. Hello Philippines. Good morning Saudi Arabia. And once again, happy Monday to each and everyone. And more power, God bless us all. And bye bye guys.